How to connect American Express gift card to phone. American Express is a multinational financial services corporation based in the United States. It is well known for its credit cards, charge cards, and travel-related services. To connect an American Express gift card to your phone for use in digital wallets or apps, activate the gift card. If your gift card isn't already activated, visit the URL or call the phone number printed on the card or packaging. Open the digital wallet app on your phone like Apple Pay, Google Pay. Tap Add Card or Add to Wallet. Enter the gift card details manually or by scanning the card. That's how you can add gift card to phone. Thanks for watching.